Isaac.
Who?
Isaac.
Isaac.
Hope Isaac.
Okay. What happened to you?
I was sitting down, he was 20. I heard the bullet, I was sat down. Before I know the thing land on my leg.
Bullet, they shot you or? Shot you?
Yes.
So what did you come here to do? Could you just tell us tell us what you came here to do? You are from what 16? What did you come
for?
What did you come here for? That is what I'm asking.
To campaign now.
Okay.
For Team Tonyeko.
Okay. And you saw they shot you.
Yes.
Who?
I'm my friend.
What happened to you, man?
I was sitting with my fellow. We came for campaign APC. They threw away that bomb on Dynamite right in front of me. So they said, "Go on, down." I told them that I couldn't throw. So they came down. Outside my leg was broken. I couldn't hear anything. Right now, I don't know what is happening. I couldn't hear anything.
Your name again. Your name again.
I'm back, friend.
What do you do for a living, man?
I'm a trader.
All right, thank you, man.
My name's Paul.
You have to be looking at. You have to know where you are. Your name is.
Paul.
Could you just tell us what happened? What did you come here to do, and what happened?
I came here for the rally, the APC rally.
Okay.
So I was just seated down. Before I knew it, all I heard was a bang. Before I got this injury on my leg. I don't really know why it's explosion.
Right. So what do you think was responsible for this?
I think some people threw something which I can't really identify. But I knew they threw something there because it was a serious bang. And even my right ear is affected.
All right, your name again.
My name's Paul.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm a public servant.
Thank you.
Right now, you can hear from the sound there. There's a dynamite sound that just came up here. While we are here now, I go to the field, and they've been shooting sporadically just to.
And you go there. I know say you go there, and I know say you go.